Yep. Okay guys, back with another recipe. I know it's been a while. I actually almost forgot what to say in these. But today I have an easy recipe for you guys. So the theme of today's video is going to be keep your money in your pockets because I'm making a very quick and easy Wingstop Copycat recipe right at home. We're going to be doing 3 flavors. As I said before, chicken wings are so easy to make and it's cheap. So sit back and let's get into this. Alright guys, so we're starting off with 2 pounds of chicken wings. We have a half cup of flour and a half cup of cornstarch. For the seasonings, we have paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, oregano, and thyme. For all the measurements, make sure you guys check my description box. I have about a teaspoon of salt, but I don't actually use the full teaspoon. I'm kind of just gauging in how much salt that I want. So I'm just gonna add a bit and mix it together. So you can see I'm kind of feeling to see how many of the salt grains are actually on there. And that's how I gauge how much salt I want to put. So I'm just gonna finish that up, guys. Alright guys, so our seasoning is all mixed up. All we're going to do is actually just dip our chicken in our flour and cornstarch mix. Gotta make sure you shake off any excess, and that's it guys. And this is probably the easiest part of the whole process, so stay tuned. Alright guys, time to fry. We are doing a double fry, so we're going to be frying these for about 5 minutes first at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then another 4 to 5 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll get back to you guys when we are officially done the first 5 minutes, guys. Alright guys, so our 5 minutes is up. We're going to crank up the heat so it's going to be 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to put these back in to finish for another 4 to 5 minutes, and they're going to come out super crispy and a nice golden brown color, guys. Alright guys, our wings are done. As you can see, it's a nice golden brown and they're super crispy. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish up frying the rest of my chicken, guys. Alright guys, wings are done. Time to make the sauces. First on the list is the original hot. I have about 3/4 of a stick of butter going in. I have a half cup of hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce, guys. We have a pinch of salt going in. We're just going to go ahead and mix that together. I'm also going to be adding a cornstarch slurry so I can make my sauce a bit of a thicker sauce. I do like it a little thick. And that's it, guys. On to the next. Alright guys, so next up is the garlic parmesan. We have a half stick of unsalted butter, and we have about, I believe, 4 to 5 garlic cloves that are going in. We're just going to go ahead and mix that together. Also, I'm using unsalted butter, guys, so make sure you add a bit of salt and salt to taste as per usual. I'm adding a bit of thyme, guys. Make sure you guys check the description for the actual measurement. I did about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream because I want a bit of a thicker sauce. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. I'm going to be adding in some fresh Parmesan, guys. The other half will be for later on. And I'm also going to be adding some grated Parmesan right into there. I think it's about 2 tablespoons. And that's it, guys. So as I said, make sure you guys salt to taste and mix that up. And we are on to the next sauce. Alright guys, so we have our last sauce. This is called a spicy Korean Q. We have 2 tablespoons of gochujang going in. We have a 1/4 cup of ketchup also going in. We're going to go ahead and mix that together. Make sure your heat is on like medium low. I definitely didn't have mine there, so it kind of smoked up a bit. I'm also adding a 1/3 cup of water. You can also use chicken stock if you'd like. So we're going to go ahead and mix that together, guys. We're also going to be adding in a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And yes, we're gonna mix that again, you guessed it. And we're gonna be adding in about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna mix that up, and we're gonna be adding in about 2 garlic cloves and a half teaspoon of ginger. Make sure you guys add this in, guys. This packs a bunch of flavor, and this kind of makes the sauce, in my opinion. So now next up, we're gonna be adding a bit of honey. So this is optional. I wanted a little bit more of a sweet sauce that had a nice kick at the end of it. And then all we're going to do now is we're going to be adding in some sesame seeds, guys. We're going to do it now and at the end. We're going to go ahead and mix that together, and we're going to be adding a pinch of salt, guys. So all you have to do is kind of taste your sauce and add salt as you go to see where it needs to be. That is it, guys. Our sauces are done. We have our garlic parmesan, our original hot, and our spicy Korean Q. Next up, we just got to put it all together, guys. Stay tuned. Alright Alright guys, this is the final product. It looks so good. We have restaurant quality wings right at home. Keep your money in your pocket. Stay tuned for the mini mukbang. Alright guys, so we're all done. We have officially made our wings. So I made 3 of Wingstop's popular wings. So we have the garlic Parmesan, we have the hot, also known as buffalo hot, and we have the Korean spicy Q. So these are the 3 that I chose to do today. It's not going to be a long one. I'm going to quickly have a bite of like 1 or 2 of them. It's not going to be a mukbang today. Just showing you guys a very quick recipe. Save your money, guys. You don't need to be going out doing a bunch of wing nights. Make your own wing night. It's much cheaper too. So let's get right into this, guys. I'm going to show you guys the garlic parm. Oh, okay. You know, I'm going to do one without the ranch, and then I'll do one after. That is very good. Let's try this hot buffalo. This one we have to dip in the ranch, guys. Yep, that really hit the spot, guys. I'll take another bite of this, guys, with the ranch. That sounds very good, guys. That's it, guys. Very quick one today. Not a lot of talking. Our Korean spicy Q. A little bit of spice, but very sweet at the same time. If you like ginger with some garlic and a little bit of spice and some sweetness, this is the one for you guys. This one's really good. I think this wasn't my favorite, guys. I think this one takes the cake, guys. So as I said, it's gonna be a very quick one. I just want to show you guys a very quick recipe and show you guys you can save your money and make your own Wingstop meal right at home. Or if you're more of a Buffalo Wild Wings kind of person, it's the same thing, guys. Thank you guys for watching my very quick Wingstop recipe, guys. I'm gonna have all the information linked down below, so make sure you guys check that out. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I know it wasn't a long mukbang today, but this was mainly a recipe video. So you guys already know how it goes. If you're Marv, stay tuned for the next episode. Marv, gang.